Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon. Today, I would like to present the 3D printed denture as a project innovation. For introduction, this project will focus on developing and fabricate a removable complete denture, which is a complete denture by using a method of reverse engineering, and also it will be fabricated with a 3D printed technology. For the formal statement, it shows that the Protestantists rated that good quality denture will take up to 10 weeks to be created by Denture Center 2017. Number two, complete denture will be depend on the skill of the dentist, and usually takes a lot of time to manufacture. Number three, requires many steps and principles associated with a labor intensive work. For the objective, only one objective. The ultimate objective is to fabricate a set of denture. Actually, a top set of the denture using a 3D printing technology, specifically 3D printing types polyjetting. Look at this picture. The comparison between conventional techniques and digitizing fabrication techniques. As you can see here, for conventional technique, there are 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. The first step, impression, final inspection. Next, visible transfer, setting teeth, waxing, flash, curing, polishing, and finishing. So, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9 steps under the conventional technique. Compare it to digitizing fabrication technique. Only scanning. Scanning means to know the image data in case of the jaw of the patient's, size of the gum, and etc. And then start designing vessel adaptation, milling for purpose for to mill the crown of the teeth, connecting and finishing. Okay, for this project, we're using methods of we select one sample, patients from one of the clinics. His her denture was broken, and she's demand for to replace the denture. So we try to help him by using a 3D scanning. This is a original denture. Actually, is a break in between of the center of the denture. We try to get the 3D model, 3D CAD model, while using a latest technology of 3D scanning available in faculty. So this is scanning data. Some examples of scanning data is the bottom views, top view, front view, and isometric view. From this data, it is actually come up with a STL file. We have to proceed with the next process, which is post-processing. It's quite challenging process, which is one of the. This is a sample of the process. So it means a clock point. We have to trigger the clock point of the actual data, then transfer the polygon face and further regions before proceed or continue with the next process. Once we get the data in terms of a 3D STL file, then we can only STL file 3D printer can reach the data. We are using a HD3500 liquid-based 3D printer, which is a polyjetting technology under the 3D printing technology. The liquid-based offers fine surface finish and great accuracy. Before proceed the printing process, the Denture STF file must go through a magic software to identify the quality of the parts. So this is the result. You can see here. This is the results of the real printed 3D printed denture, and then have been tested to the original patient. You can see here the top part of the denture is a 3D printed part. Okay, this is a graph to compare between the conventional. This is a conventional method. This is a 3D printing method. As you can see here, the time consumption to producing a complete denture is much better. I mean, around 30 or 40% of time we can save by using a 3D printing technology. I think that's all. Thank you. Thank you very much.